Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this session I am going to explain haloalkanes and haloarenes. It is the first lesson in organic chemistry. Second year it is the first lesson of organic chemistry. So today in this session I want to introduce haloalkanes and haloarenes. So before going to explain haloalkanes and haloarenes, first of all, what are alkanes? Let us see what are alkanes. In first two PUC already you know about the alkanes. They are hydrocarbons. They are made up of carbon and hydrogen only. And next in alkanes, what is the general formula of alkanes? CnH2n plus 2, and carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization in alkanes. So I want to give one example for alkane, that is nothing but methane. Methane is an example of alkane. Next one, haloalkanes. Haloalkanes. What are haloalkanes? So these are hydrocarbons containing halogen. Hydrocarbons containing halogens. Halogen atom. In aliphatic compound, one of the hydrogen or two or more hydrogens when replaced by the halogens, then the formed compounds are called haloalkanes. Here in haloalkanes also, the general formula of haloalkanes, per suppose if it is alkane, in alkane if one of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen, then its formula is CnH2n plus 1 X. And in these compounds also carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization only. sp3 carbon undergoes. How the alkanes are formed, let us see. Per suppose if the methane, if we take methane contain, in methane 4 hydrogens are there. One of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen, any one halogen. Then the formed product is known as haloalkane. This is haloalkane. Sometimes we can replace two or more hydrogens also. So based on that, different kinds of haloalkanes are formed. It is about the alkanes and haloalkanes. Arenes and haloarenes. You know that aromatic compounds. Aromatic compound means the best example for aromatic compound is benzene. Benzene formula C6H6 benzene. Here this is the structure of the benzene. It is the benzene. In benzene 6 carbons are there. 6 carbons contain alternately double bonds. Every carbon is attached with hydrogen. Here hydrogens are there. Every hydrogen is attached with carbon. Next, every carbon in benzene undergoes sp2 hybridization. Then what are haloarenes? In aromatic compounds, whenever the hydrogens are replaced by halogen, then the formed product is known as haloarene. Here, per suppose here the formula of benzene C6H6, one of the hydrogen is replaced. It means replaced by halogen. It means what is the formula of our compound C6H5X. This is known as haloarine. Haloarine. In aromatic compounds, whenever halogens are replaced by the hydrogens are replaced by the then halogens, then they are called as haloarenes. Now, so after this, importance of these compounds. Importance of this compound. This is important for entrance purpose. Importance of the compounds. First one, haloalkanes and haloarenes. What is the major use of these compound? They are used as a solvents. In medicine industry, drug industry, they use it as a solvents. They effectively work compared with other non-polar solvents. That is the use of the haloalkanes and haloarenes. And next one, second one antibiotic material is there. Antibiotic material, antibiotic substance, antibiotic. So what is the name of that compound? It's a chloramphenicol. It is a chlorinated compound, phenol. So this chloramphenicol is produced by soil microorganisms. In soil, whatever the microorganisms are there, it was produced by soil microorganisms, and it is used as an antibiotic during typhoid fever. We are using this antibiotic. So that is the importance of chloramphenicol. Next one more compound is there, chloroquine. Chloroquine is there. Chloroquine is a medicine. It is a medicine containing chlorine, and it is used in the treatment of malaria fever. Malaria fever. Next, one more compound is there, that is halothane. Halothane. So what is the use of halothane? During surgery, it is used as a anesthetic substance. In anesthetic material it is used. During surgery we are using halothane as a anesthetic substance. Next, after that, there are some compounds. They are fully fluorinated compounds. They can be used as a potential substance of our blood. Mostly these compounds we are using during surgery. There is a chance to lose some large amount of blood during surgery. So in that case, we are using fully fluorinated compounds, organic compounds. They are useful for the substitution of blood only. So it is importance of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Next, after this,